Today I'm going to show you how to create a mask with the brush tool in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Here we have an image. From here we just go into the right side, click on the masking tool, which is this one. Then we click on create new mask, and then we click on brush. And here we will have a brush with which we can select the thing that we want to edit. Here we can set the brush size and the feather, the flow as well, the density, and just like this, we can brush over the parts that we want to edit. And here we have this new mask. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.